Head of the Diaspora Unit of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, Rosalinda Rasul, served as a local observer for AmCham during the March 2020 elections. She was the first witness up for cross-examination as the trial into the 2020 elections continued Monday. The trial is being heard at the Georgetown Magistrates Court before Acting Chief Magistrate Faith Magusti. Here is a recap of what happened during this morning proceeding. When the case resumed, defense attorney UC Anderson and prosecutor King Counsel Darshan Ramdani were engaged in a back and forth. This stemmed from a request made by the defense for Rasul to provide her CV to the court. Ramdani argued that this is not catered for in the law and the provision of the document bears no evidence to the issues before the court. After listening to both sides, the magistrate ordered that Rasul's CV be presented to the court. Before handing down her ruling, the magistrate made it clear that she won't stand as a stumbling block to assist the defense with what they need to keep the case from proceeding. The defense also requested for a visit to the locations being referred to during the presentation of evidence. The two sites would be Ashman's building, which housed the Guyana Elections Commission GCOM Command Center, and the Guyana Elections Commission headquarters in Kingston. A decision has not yet been made as to when this visit will be facilitated. Eventually, the cross-examination commenced and Rasul took the stand. She is testifying under oath. During cross-examination, Rasul was grilled by defense attorney Nigel Hughes. The questions raised stemmed from events which took place at the Ashman's building while Rasul was present there on March 4th and March 12th. For District 4 Claremont Bingo and the issuance of a court order were delved into. Rasul also faced questions about the whereabouts and possession of statements of poll, SOPs, and a bomb scare at the building. 9 individuals are before the court in relation to electoral fraud. They are former APNU AFC Government Minister Waldo Lawrence, former GCOM Chief Elections Officer Keith Lewingfield, former GCOM Returning Officer for District 4 Claremont Mingo, former GCOM Deputy Chief Elections Officer Roxanne Myers, APNU AFC's Chief Scrutineer Carl Smith-Joseph, and former GCOM employees Sherfin February, Enrique Liven, Michelle Miller, and Dennis Bach Cummins. They face 9 conspiracy charges allegedly committed between Elections Day, March 2, 2020, and August 2, 2020. It is alleged that the defendants conspired during the 2020 general and regional elections to defraud the electors of Guyana by declaring a false account of votes cast. They have pleaded not guilty to the charges. The case finally commenced in July 2024 after years of delay. However, further setbacks occurred when presiding magistrate Leron Daly reported sick and extended his leave, necessitating the reassignment of the case. The case continues this week. Reporting for the newsroom, Sharda Bacchus.